Hey guys, having a problem with this engine. Bought it on eBay, I don't know, a couple days ago, and I'm getting power to it, but it's like it's not moving, you know. Lights come on and all that stuff. Here, let me show you. I'll show you what it does. As you can see, the lights and all that'll pop on, and it'll go, but the fucker don't move. So I don't know if I'm gonna take the shell off, and then we'll go from there and see if you guys I don't know, see like a common mistake. As you can tell, I don't know, I'm still new to the hobby and everything, and especially repairing engines and whatnot, you know. So I'm gonna take the shell apart and see if you guys like see anything, whatever. And if you can help me out and get this baby running, I'd really appreciate it. I'll be right back. Alright, so anyways, I got the shell off. This was loose in there. I mean, so it was just it was just hanging there. I don't even know where this part even goes, you know. So I don't know, it's getting power and all that, but I don't know if it's like something I don't know, in the freaking, let me see if I can zoom in here. Get a better glance. Something, but I don't know if it's got something to do with I just have no idea, you know. That's what I'm asking you guys for, so any help would be really appreciated. If you could tell me like what this goes to or what it's connected to, I just have no idea.